Have you ever been in a relationship that felt off, but you couldn't quite put your finger on why? Many people ignore subtle signs that signal deeper issues until it's too late. Today, we're diving deep into the 12 alarming relationship red flags that you need to recognize and address before they grow into something more damaging. Are you ready to protect your heart and ensure your relationships are healthy and fulfilling? Stick around until the end, where we'll reveal an often overlooked red flag that could change how you view relationships forever. Don't miss this critical insight. 1. Lack of communication. How often do you find yourself walking on eggshells, avoiding certain topics to keep the peace? Poor communication can slowly erode the foundation of any relationship. When discussions become arguments or there's persistent silence on important matters, it signifies deeper issues. Establishing open and honest communication is key. Address problems directly and calmly, and practice active listening to ensure both partners feel heard and understood. 2. Controlling behavior. Does your partner have a need to control your every move, from what you wear to who you spend time with? This is more than a minor quirk. It's a significant red flag. Controlling behavior can escalate into manipulation and emotional abuse, severely impacting a person's sense of independence and self-worth. Healthy relationships are built on trust and respect for each other's autonomy. Establish boundaries and have clear conversations about the importance of mutual respect. In a moment, we'll explore another subtle yet serious red flag that's crucial to recognize. Stay tuned. 3. Jealousy and possessiveness. Have you noticed your partner's overwhelming jealousy or possessive tendencies? While some degree of jealousy might seem flattering, excessive jealousy often stems from insecurity and can lead to isolation from friends and family. Encourage open discussions about feelings and insecurities. Building mutual trust and setting clear boundaries can help mitigate these feelings and promote a healthier partnership. 4. Gaslighting. Do you often doubt your memory or perception after an argument with your partner? Gaslighting, a form of psychological manipulation where the offender makes the victim question their reality, is a serious red flag. It's a tactic used to gain control and diminish your confidence. Identifying gaslighting is the first step. Trust your instincts and seek support from friends, family, or professionals if you believe you're experiencing this form of manipulation. 5. Lack of support. Does your partner belittle your dreams or dismiss your achievements? A healthy relationship should offer mutual support, empowering both individuals to pursue their goals. A lack of support can leave you feeling isolated and undervalued. Encourage a culture of positivity and motivation within your relationship. Celebrate each other's successes and provide comfort through challenges. Have you ever felt unsupported in a relationship? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Your insight might help others. 6. Disrespectful behavior. Do you notice your partner frequently speaking to you in a condescending manner or disregarding your opinions? Disrespect can manifest in many forms, from dismissive words to belittling actions, and it undermines the partnership. Address disrespectful behavior directly, expressing how it affects you. A mature partner will listen and work to change. If not, it's important to reassess the relationship's future. Coming up, we'll discuss a particularly damaging red flag that can silently deteriorate your relationship. Don't miss it. 7. Avoiding conflict. Does your partner shut down at the first sign of a disagreement, or do you find yourself avoiding conflict to keep the peace? While avoiding heated arguments might seem like a good thing, habitually ducking conflict prevents resolution to underlying issues. Healthy relationships require open discussions. Encouraging a safe space to voice concerns can prevent resentment and misunderstandings down the line. 8. Disparity in effort. Do you consistently feel like you're the only one putting effort into the relationship? An unequal investment of time and energy can lead to feelings of resentment and neglect. Relationships should be a partnership where both parties contribute. Open dialogue about expectations and responsibilities can rebalance the effort exchanged. 9. Isolation from loved ones. Has your partner suggested spending all your time together, away from your family and friends? Isolation is a tactic that can leave you feeling emotionally dependent and unable to seek outside perspectives. Combat isolation by maintaining independence and nurturing relationships outside your partnership. A healthy partner will respect and encourage your personal connections. 10. Broken promises. Does your partner frequently break promises or fail to follow through on commitments? Reliability and consistency are cornerstones of trust. Constantly broken promises signal a lack of respect for your time and feelings. Address promise-breaking behavior by identifying patterns and speaking up about how they impact trust. Commitment to change is a crucial step in mending these issues. Do you believe keeping promises is essential for a lasting relationship? Share your views below. 11. Secretive behavior. Has your partner been increasingly secretive, leaving you in the dark about important matters? Secrets can breed distrust and signal larger issues within the relationship. Encourage transparency by creating an environment of openness and trust. If secrets persist, it's crucial to question whether the partnership can regain its foundation of honesty. 12. Bonus insight, financial imbalance. And finally, here's the often overlooked red flag, financial imbalance. Are finances wielded as a tool for control, or is one partner not transparent about money matters? Financial stability and collaboration are important for relationship health. Discuss financial goals and responsibilities openly, and ensure that financial decision-making is a cooperative effort. Reflect on your relationship. Each partner should feel transparent and equitable about finances. Share your approach with us. Recognizing and addressing red flags. Identifying and addressing red flags not only prevents potential heartache, but strengthens the foundation of your relationships. By fostering transparency, mutual respect, and open communication, you create an environment where genuine love and partnership can thrive. Which red flag resonated most with your past or current experiences? Let's discuss and support each other in building healthier relationships. If these insights into relationship red flags resonated with you, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insights on maintaining healthy relationships. Tap the notification bell to stay informed about upcoming content. Bonus interaction. Share a personal story of overcoming a relationship challenge in the comments. Your experience could empower others to take positive steps in their own lives. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of relationship health. Until next time, be vigilant, be open, and build connections that nurture and sustain your well-being.